I want to show you another part of a system that might be used to turn sunlight into stored hydrogen energy into electricity. And this thing right here is my electrolyzer. I talked about it in an earlier video. It's connected to this power source. Instead of using solar energy to power this up, I'm just going to take electricity directly and do that. It's wired up to the electrolyzer. The electrolyzer is producing hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. The hydrogen gas then goes into this device called a fuel cell. What the fuel cell does is really the opposite of what the electrolyzer does. It takes electricity coming in. Instead of taking electricity that's coming in and turning it into hydrogen, it takes hydrogen coming in and produces electricity. And over here, we have a voltmeter, which is showing us the results of this process. It would be 0 if the fuel cell was not storing any energy. And I'm going to discharge some of this with a little LED lamp that I have. And we see that I'm getting light out of this. I'm getting electricity that was generated out of hydrogen that was produced from distilled water. Now, this is a pretty dim bulb, which tells us that the efficiency of this entire system is probably not that good. Now, if we wanted to find out where the weak link is, we could go back to the beginning to our solar cells, or in this case, a power source. We could look at the efficiency of the wires, which is probably pretty good. We could look at the efficiency of the electrolyzer in turning electricity into hydrogen energy, and then the efficiency of the fuel cell, in this case a fuel stack, in converting that hydrogen into electric energy.